fresh from our field or from our garden. Just now I went down and get some green leafy vegetables. And this one, yesterday my husband, he removed some red onions. But still, we did not remove all. So maybe today or after 2 days, we remove all our red onions. So just remove this one because I will use this one for cooking. And by this year, we will not buy onions because we plant red onions. So these are all green leafy vegetables I get down. Different green leafy vegetables. This one is, they call it hermeti, and this is fenugreek leaves. And this is spring onions. And this is radish leaves. And also this is radish leaves. And this is Chinese pichay. This is also radish leaves. Chinese pichay. Yan. And what is more? This is spinach. There is also spinach because there is also spinach in our field. Yan, spinach. Oh. Yan. And some, what is more here? Coriander leaves. Yan. So I will add more potatoes here. Then I will cook for our viand lunch and dinner. So this is very fresh because just now I get. And what I will do for this one is ipagpag ko kasi maraming lupa. Yan, oh. Maraming ba? May mga insect din na naka-attach. So dapat ipagpag ito and then hugasan 3 times and then i-slice ko. So this matamis-tamis ito kasi organic talaga. Yung mga binibili sa bazar ay hindi na hindi organic at saka hindi na fresh at saka yellow. Iba yung lasa ng organic vegetables kaysa sa yung commercial na binibili sa market. So ito ay talaga fresh na fresh. Yan. So libre na. Kung bibilhin mo ito, din mahal din. Kaya lang hindi ito available sa market pag binili mo ito na mixed vegetables. Yan. I-mix ko din itong spring onion, masarap din. Tapos saluan ko lang ng batatas. So nakalibre na kami ng ulam for lunch and then dinner. Hindi na pupunta sa market at bibili. So maganda talaga kung may may mga tanim kasi kung need mo magluto or walang pambili, so punta ka lang sa baba at mag kuha doon or harvest kung ano-ano doon na available na dapat lutuin.